Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a unboxing of my monthly subscription. So we have Boxycharm, Ipsy, and then Sephora Play. I'm always excited to film this video for you guys because I really hope that it helps if you're trying to figure out what kind of subscription to pick up. There's lots and lots of ones to try out, but these are the ones that I currently get. So yeah, anyways, really quick before we get started, if you're new to my channel, then welcome to my channel. Make sure before you leave, you do not forget to subscribe down below. That way you're notified for future videos from me. I post 3 times a week. So Wednesdays, Fridays, and then mail hauls every single Monday. But I'm really excited to dive into these subscriptions. So let's go ahead and get started. What do we want to do first? I want to do Boxycharm because I feel like I saw somebody show something from Boxycharm that was very exciting. So here is obviously what the Boxycharm box looks like. It's like a little black box. And here is like what the card looks like. It says Rock 2018. Let's dive into the, oh yes, the first thing that I was like so excited about trying out. So this is the Pure Bronze and Brighten palette. I saw somebody else just like, they didn't actually post their whole entire Boxycharm that they got, but they posted a photo of this and said it was in their Boxycharm. And pretty much I think all the Boxycharms are normally the same. So yeah, that's why I wanted to show it to you guys. Oh my gosh. The moment of beauty. Okay, I can get it. Oh, I'm over here like I can't get it open. There's a sticker on it. That's why it's not working. Oh my gosh. So this palette has a blushing glow, an afterglow, and a mineral glow. I don't know if I have those like backwards, but look how gorgeous this is. It's like your blush, your bronzer, and your highlight. Okay, and get to swatching. Oh my goodness, that is just so beautiful. Look at that. Okay, I want to put that on. Let's see. Ooh, look at that. Going a little heavy on the blush, but I always go heavy on the blush. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I mean, obviously it's on top of my current blush, but y'all know me. I like love a blush with like a highlight in it, kind of, you know what I mean? Like it just has like that highlight glow in it. Okay, moving on. Next we have the highlight. I like, you know, got a lot because it is like powdery, but it's like the kind of powdery that's silky. I don't know if that makes any sense, but as you can see like on my finger, like you can see a little bit of like where it looks like it could be powdery, but again, once you swipe it on, it's like one swatch. Oh my gosh. Okay, where is like a fan brush? Let's put this on too. I hate fan brushes, but whatever. We will try it out. I mean, I was already glowing pretty much, but I mean, there's like the one side. Bam! Oh my gosh, this is like crazy. I mean, I don't even, this is exciting. Like this is one of like my favorite palettes already. Okay, very last one is the bronzer. Oh, look how gorgeous. I don't know if I would quite use this for a bronzer since it does have that like shine. I mean, it doesn't really like shine that much. Oh my gosh. I love it. I just keep looking in the viewfinder because it is so freaking pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. Let me get a like baby wipe so I can clean off my hand. Okay, so this to me, I mean, if you're a subscriber of Boxycharm, I hope that you were as hyped as I am about this because I'm like stealing this, putting it up front. This is going on every day because I cannot wait to wear it. So let's see what the price tag is on this beauty. So the Pure Cheek palette is $34. I think that is a really good price because it does look like you get a pretty good amount of product. And to me, all 3 are like a total win in this palette. So gorgeous. Sorry, I know that took up like the first half of the video here, but I was really excited. Okay, next thing we have is a, ooh, this is a Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer. Pores No More is what it says on it. Okay, this is my friend. I cannot wait to use this. So this actually retails for $38. I think that's a pretty good price because I feel like Dr. Brandt products are really expensive. It says the Luminizer Primer delivers a natural radiant glow while blurring pores and imperfections for a beautifully illuminated, flawless complexion. Okay, what more could you want? Like, this is like the best Boxycharm I've ever had. I'm very excited so far. Okay, next thing we have, oh, another really awesome product. This is the It Cosmetics Brow Powder, and this is a universal brow pencil. I like that they did something universal. That way, you know, across the board, whoever gets it can use it. So here is what it looks like. I'm not going to swatch it because I actually already have one of these, so I need to kind of maybe put this up, but it comes in like a pretty sturdy type case, and yeah. So here's what it looks like. Actually, I don't even think I've swatched the other one. So let me just swatch this one. Kind of hard, to be honest. Like, it doesn't feel very smooth. Maybe there's like a first layer I need to get under, but there's that. I mean, still, even yet, these are like really good items for this box. This one retails for $24. Okay, next thing we have is the Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper in the shade Lust Red. This retails for $27. Ooh, it looks like it's a really pretty shade. Okay, sometimes I save these things and don't swatch them, but I'm really excited and want to use some of this stuff. So let's pump it up. Pump, 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 pump it up. Yep, pump, pump, pump. Okay, it's like literally not going. How many pumps does it take to get to the bottom of the lip plumper? Okay, So it almost looks like the YSL lip oil. So here's what that looks like up close. But again, that is a lip plumper. And again, the retail on this is $27. And then the very last thing we have is from Crown, and this says Glam Metals. I'm assuming this is an eyeshadow. Yep, eyeshadow palette. Now, I will say this. I've gotten some really awesome eyeshadow palettes in Boxycharm. There's this brand, and I can't remember what it's called, but I've gotten 2 palettes from them. They're like this size, and they're 9 pans that I really do enjoy. So, ooh, and it might even, no, they're not from Crown. Okay. So here's what this looks like. These colors look really nice. So let's swatch them. I'm so glad that in my boxes, having stuff that I can actually swatch. Sometimes that doesn't happen. The first 3 shades look really pretty. They're very cool toned shades. They are pigmented, but I don't think this palette is anything that like I couldn't live without, if that makes sense. But it is nice, you know, to be able to get like full-size products in the actual subscription. There's the second row swatched. Y'all know me, I'm more of like a warm tone person, even though a lot of times I do wear purples though. There is the last row right there. And then there's the last row swatch. So yeah, that is the Boxycharm. This palette retails for $25. So I think this was probably one of my favorite Boxycharms. I mean, honestly, I'm so freaking excited about that pure palette. Like, you guys have no idea. I feel like Boxycharm's like really stepping their game up. I remember in a box like a couple months ago, I got one of the Becca highlighters in, what is the other one? Not Champagne Pop, but, oh, Prosecco Pop. And that's like one of my favorite highlighters. So I was so excited about that. But this box, I'm just really pumped about. Okay, so let's do Sephora Play next. So here's what the box looks like. Grab some scissors. Okay, so it says 2018 Happy You Year. And here's what the box looks like. Or bag rather. So first thing we have is a NARS lipstick, and this is in the shade Orgasm. I've never actually saw this lipstick. I'm wondering if it's pink like the Orgasm blush that they have. So this is a really nice touch. I mean, Sephora first items coming out with a bang. Ooh, it is. So here's what it looks like, and let's swatch this. Okay, the swatch is a very like underwhelming. It's very sheer. I mean, it's not like too sheer, but it's like a pink with like a, I don't know, like a shimmery gold undertone type vibe. Okay, next thing we have here is, and it feels almost like this bag's a lot of samples, but this is the Caviar CC Cream 10-in-1 Complete Correction. This is a leave-in hair protectant right here. And then we have, let's see, the oh, this is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. You guys, this is like my #1 primer because it's so moisturizing and it just leaves the skin feeling so hydrated. So this is very exciting. If you guys got this in your Sephora Play, I'm so excited for you because I love this so much. Then we have a Glam Glow. So this is another really good product. This is the Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. And I've used their cleansers before. They are really nice. And I love them because they have like 2 different pumps on them. Anyways. Okay, next thing we have is the Clinique Prep Star Eye Cream. Lots of, I feel like, skincare. Well, maybe just because that one is like a moisturizer and a primer in one, not like a lot of like swatches that I can do. And then a very last product we have is the Amande Lactane Milk Concentrate. This is a melting cream that helps the body to feel firmer and smoother. Okay, no fragrance, which is very different. Let me look and see if there was like supposed to be a fragrance in here, because I feel like normally they always do a fragrance. No fragrance. So yeah, that's the Sephora Play Box. It's kind of okay. Like, I don't know. I feel like I'm over sample size stuff. Like, I like showing it to you guys so you can see like what's in the box, but a lot of times I don't grab for those products. I really grab for like the bigger sizes. So yeah, there's that. And then very last one we have is going to be Ipsy. And you guys, I am officially have everything booked for the Gen Beauty in Los Angeles. It is in March, so let me know down below if any of you guys will be going. So here is what the Ipsy bag looks like. It's very bright and it has like kind of like a mesh effect on it. There's what it looks like. And then, ooh, all right, off the bat, I see a Bella Pierre. This is a Stay Put Brow Gel, and it's in like a light shade. Looks really nice. It looks like it also comes with, yes, a brush right there. So that's exciting. Next thing, this is the NYX Lingerie Liquid Lipstick. I'm not going to swatch this because I believe I own this shade. This is the Beauty Mark shade, and it's like a brown color right there. Next thing we have is the City Color Contour Palette. You guys, I'm so over contouring. Like, I don't know why. I just never contour. So here's what that looks like. You just have like a light shade, more of like a bronzy, and then a contour shade. And then we have a Be Fine Food Skincare Exfoliating Cleanser. And then last thing we have is the Mud Mask Sleep Hair Renewal Nourishing Mask. So yeah, Ipsy, I feel like it was more like, I mean, there were some makeup. Maybe I just wish that I didn't get like a lot of hair stuff in my bags, because like I'm really particular about what I use in my hair because I don't like to use it a lot. I just keep it like very minimal. But yeah, anyways, that is my Ipsy bag. Overall, I mean, I have been subscribed. Boxycharm was, I think, one of the first ones I subscribed to, and then I actually started getting sent Boxycharm. But I mean, I've been doing the subscriptions for, I don't know, like 2.5, 3 years. And I just feel like even though Boxycharm's double the price, I just feel like it's always like such a better value. I just feel like a lot of times I'm just disappointed in some of the other boxes that are more like sampley sizes. Maybe I should like trade Sephora and Ipsy for like one that does full sizes. So if you guys know of any, let me know, and then that way I can like compare it to Boxycharm. Do I have a blush brush in here? Of like a YSL lip oil. Of like a lot, I don't know why I said oil. Like, oh my gosh, why am I saying that now? I feel like so many people have commented on me saying oil that now I like say oil. Clearing cream to, they have like foam and then not a foam. I don't even know what I'm saying. Okay, cut that out. But anyways, that is going to complete this month's, so yeah, that is the Sephora Play Box. I just keep it very, but anyways, that's going to complete this month's unboxing. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.